I'm going to discuss a topic which is why you need to learn Java. The first reason is because Java is everywhere. Oracle is claiming that across the globe there are 3 billion systems which are running on Java, and not only that, there are certain surveys which are being conducted, and on the surveys list Java is on the top, being it is simple and also it is the most popular programming language ever. So this is the first reason, guys, and the second reason is that Java has got huge tons of resources and also it has got huge community support. Okay, now how does the huge resources help you? Because there is so much of material available on the internet, your learning can be much faster, and also your learning also will be like, you will not get stuck up somewhere. Your learning will be on a faster pace, and having huge community support is a great help, because the error that you get today might have already been encountered by some developer somewhere some time ago, and there is already an answer available in the forums for you, so you can rectify your error and you can move forward on a faster pace. And the third reason is because Java is a mature programming language. Since its release of first version since 1995, it is 25 years old till date, and among almost like all these years, like all these 25 years, it is in huge demand in the market. Never there is a low point for Java, and there is huge demand for Java developers all these 25 years. And not only that, Java developers are the highly paid people in the IT industry. And the fourth reason is being the two strong features of Java. So there are two strong features of Java. One is portability and the second is security. Apart from these, there are also other features, but Java claims that these are the two popular, these are two major features of Java. Portability is the bytecode of Java, which is write once and run anywhere concept, which is making Java a very strong programming language. And the second is security. Okay, so security is like you can write virus-free softwares using Java, because JVM will not allow the code to generate the side effects of the code. The fifth reason is that Java is open source. Open source means that it is freely available. You can go into Oracle website and then download the version that you want to learn, and you can happily start learning. The reason is what you want to become. Okay, so there are three current trends in the market today. The first one is Android, the second one is web developer, and the third one is big data. So if you want to get into Android, so you need to be a Java programmer. And again, if you want to get into web developer, if you want to become a web developer, so you need to be strong in your JSP, servlets and XML, which are the concepts of advanced Java. Again, you need to be a Java programmer. And if you want to get into big data, there are two frameworks. One is Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop, everybody of us know that Hadoop is built on Java. You can also actually use Hadoop with other programming languages as well, but since Hadoop is built on Java, it will be very easy if you are a Java programmer. So to get into the market and get huge salaries, you need to be a Java programmer. If you who have decided to learn Java, okay, my advice would be you start learning from version 8 or Java version 11. Because both the versions have got this long-term support from Oracle, and you can keep updating yourself with the new features that they add into the new releases. Thank you. Hope this video of mine is helpful to you in your learning. Keep watching my upcoming videos, and happy learning. Bye.